Hello students, today we will discuss about how to solve the linear equation in two variables. So there are three methods by which we can solve the linear equation in two variables. So the methods are substitution method, then elimination method, and cross multiplication method. So in this video we will discuss the substitution method. Okay, so consider two linear equation in two variables. Suppose a1x b1y equal to c1, this is one, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. I give it equation 1, this one equation 2. So we write from 1, you can write from 2 also, no problem. From 1, x is equal to 1 by a1 c1 minus b1y. So we substitute this value of x in this equation. Okay, so on substituting substituting x from 3 in 2. Okay, so this is our general. So this is 1, this will be a2 by a1 c1 minus b1y plus b2y is equal to c2. So this is the thing. So I can write b2y minus a2b1 by a1y is equal to c2 minus a2c1 by a1. Okay, so we can take y common. After doing LCM, we have b2 a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole divided by a1 is, we can take y common. Here we can write this a1 c1 minus a1 c2 a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Okay, so on dividing this quantity we can write y is equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 whole divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So it is clear that we can cancel this 2 as a1 is not equal to 0. So this is your y. Okay, now putting this value of y in 3, so putting the value of y in 3, we can find now using the substitution method we solve this equation. So this is 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 4x minus y equal to 3. So you can write from 1 I can write x is equal to half 5 minus 3y. So putting this value in equation 2, so putting the value of x from 3, this is our 3, in 1. So what we get, this is 4 into half of 5 minus 3y minus y is equal to 3. So this is 3. Okay, this will be 10 minus 6y minus y is equal to 3. So minus 7y is equal to minus 7. So y equal to 1. Putting y equal to 1 in 3. So x is equal to here half 5 minus 3y. So I can put y equal to 1. So this is 2. 5 minus 3. This is again 1, I can see. So what is the solution? Solution is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Okay, now you can verify this result by putting x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 in the original equation. Okay, so if I go to the original equation, these are the original equation. Now if I in equation 1 in this LHS, if I put 1, so 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, this is 5, and again 4 into 1 minus 1, this is 3. So this is 5, this is 5, and this is 3. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 satisfies the solution, both satisfies both the equations. So this is the solution to the system of linear equation. Okay, thank you.